Hi everyone, it's your girl Fati's Journey, and I'm back again with another video. This time around, it's an amazing dish. We call it POULET DJ. This particular dish is not too expensive to produce and it's so amazing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and we'll get right into making this dish. The first step is you slice plantain into shapes like this, preferably semi-ripe, and you deep fry it till it gives you a golden brown color. So that's the color actually. And unlike my other videos, I decided to use our local kitchen, the 3-stone fireside, to make it more interesting. Then I also have some chicken because these are the two main ingredients to use for your poulet DJ. So I have some boiled chicken here and I'm just going to fry it till it gives me a golden brown color as well. While the chicken is frying, guys, I want to just apologize for my long absence. It's been like a week or so I haven't posted a video, and it's because I've been working on some things, guys, and you'll get to discover pretty soon. So I'm so sorry. Alright, so let's get into the real thing. Here we have some blended tomatoes and onions, and we are just going to fry it till it gets dry and ready, and then we'll put in our spices. Here we have some white pepper, jansa, black pepper, and some bush pepper. Guys, it's just all about pepper, but you can put the spices you feel comfortable with. Alright, so yeah, the various ingredients for this, you can actually use the ingredients for stew or for tomato sauce, let me put it that way. So use whichever ingredient you feel comfortable with. And here we have some green spices and some garlic and white pepper. Yeah, white pepper is really clear here, and some green pepper. Okay guys, so you've been getting a lot of pepper. It doesn't actually mean they are not literally pepper like hot, they are not hot like pepper. So those are just to give us a good flavor or the desired flavor, guys. We stir until it gets to our desired texture. Then we add in some carrots, some green beans, like some vegetables, so you can add in your preferred vegetables as well. After stirring, we add in our chicken and plantain. Remember, we already fried some plantain and chicken. Now guys, we have to chop our chicken into small slices just like the plantains. So we add them in bit by bit and we stir till it reaches our required texture, and then we let it sit for a while and cook. So guys, like I said, this is an amazing dish. It can actually be served at parties, anniversaries, weddings. Why not at home? Why not make something this delicious for your family to enjoy? We are done mixing and we are just going to let it sit and get ready. So guys, here you have your served poulet DJ. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and come back here next time to watch subsequent videos. I love you. Mwah.